Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting straight to the wallpaper picker so you can change the live image. Long press an empty area on your home screen or open Settings and tap Wallpaper. This takes you to the system picker. Once done, choose the lock screen target specifically so you alter only the lock screen. You do this because live wallpapers are assigned by target. Selecting lock screen isolates the change and prevents accidentally replacing your home screen wallpaper. Now you replace the live wallpaper with a static option so the animation stops. In the picker, pick photos, a default image, or a solid color, and avoid any option labeled live or motion. Those re-enable animation. Tap Set or Apply, and when prompted pick lock screen only. This ensures your home screen stays unchanged. You do this because the system stores separate wallpaper targets, and explicitly assigning a static image to the lock screen removes the live. Finish by locking the phone and verifying the lock screen no longer animates. This confirms success. If the live effect persists, reboot the phone and check Settings app's wallpaper or the named live wallpaper app to clear cache or disable it. This forces the system to stop the animation. If that still fails, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is reapplying the live wallpaper. Disable or uninstall the offending app to permanently resolve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.